Bentuk penceritaan di langit yang menggambarkan identiti Malaysia, budaya, kepelbagaian etnik dan fokus kepada masa hadapan pelancongan negara.
Yes, this is not just a show, it is Malaysia's spirit written in light across the Malacca sky.
On 6 January 2025, the Prime Minister unveiled the Visit Malaysia 2026 logo, and the campaign song Visit Malaysia 2026 is more than tourism.
It is a bold vision to place Malaysia on the world map of travel. Our mission is clear, welcoming the world of the colors, culture and spirit of Malaysia. A long-term journey showcasing our heritage. This is Visit Malaysia 2026 logo.
Visit Malaysia 2026 is not just an invitation, but a promise of memories, connections, and a Malaysia that welcomes the world.
And now, here are the mascots of Visit Malaysia 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing and let's meet the official mascots of Visit Malaysia 2026. Meet Wira and Manja.
Inspired by the gentle Malayan sun bear, a symbol of our natural heritage.
Lovable, cuddly, and full of character, designed to capture hearts of all ages. Together, they reflect inclusivity and diversity, a true reflection of Malaysia's spirit.
Wira and Manja, our mascots, our pride, our warmest welcome to the world.
In 2022, Malaysia proudly assumed the ASEAN Chairmanship, carrying the theme of inclusivity and sustainability. This milestone coincides with two significant moments: the 10th anniversary of the ASEAN Community and the adoption of the ASEAN Community Vision 2045.
Through the chairmanship, Malaysia also gets the opportunity to elevate tourism by showcasing our culture, cuisine, and a world-class MICE offering to visitors across the world and ASEAN.
On 27th of September 2025, the world's attention turns to Malacca, Malaysia, host city of this year's World Tourism Day, under the theme of tourism and sustainable transformation.
It's an opportunity to accelerate tourism development nationwide, including strengthening our global profile, uplifting local communities, and reaffirming Malaysia's position as a premier sustainable destination.
Visit Malaysia 2026 launched as a strategic initiative under the Madani government to drive the nation's unique identity and sustainable economic growth. All states are urged to strengthen their tourism capabilities in conjunction with Visit Malaysia 2026.
In our efforts to advance ASEAN, we must ensure that every program carries all positions, all states without exception, as leading tourism destination for the upcoming years.
From the heart of Malacca, a hero rises in the night sky. Enrique de Malacca, son of this land, who sailed with Magellan, and courage, who helped shape the first circumnavigation of the globe.
Once a forgotten name in history, his legacy shines again today. In conjunction with World Tourism Day and the World Tourism Conference, Malacca honors him with the exhibition, The Historical Voyage of a World Maritime Hero, Enrique de Malacca alias Panglima Awang.
Explore the captivating streets of Malacca, where centuries-old heritage blends seamlessly with vibrant street life.
Wander through historic landmarks, indulge in unique culinary delights, and create memories that last a lifetime. The Visit Malacca year has been extended until 2026, in line with the state selection as host for World Tourism Day 2025 and the World Tourism Conference 2025.
There is so much to discover in Malaysia, a land of endless experiences. Malaysia offers a rich tapestry of tourism segments, culture with vibrant festivals, living traditions and UNESCO World Heritage Sites, nature and adventure.
From lush rainforests, golden beaches to a world-class diving. As the night skylights are, we invite to you on a journey through the heart and soul of Malaysia, a land where culture, heritage and flavor come together in perfect harmony.
From the bustling streets of Penang to the coastal delights of Terengganu, from the spice-laden dishes of Malacca to the rich flavors of Sabah and Sarawak, Malaysia is truly a melting pot of taste and flavors.
Food is not just a meal in Malaysia, it is a heritage, identity, and our way of bringing people together from nasi lemak, satay,
delicious.
and roti canai
Oh,
to
yes.
laksa, rendang, and kek lapis. These iconic dishes tell stories of tradition, unity, and diversity.
High above the night sky, a symbol of grace and tradition takes flight. Introducing the Wow, Malaysia's iconic kite. For centuries, the Wow has been more than just a pastime. It is an art form, a reflection of creativity and a cultural heritage passed from one generation to the next.
The Wow is more than a kite, it is Malaysia's spirit in motion. And as we welcome the world for Visit Malaysia 2026, let the Wow carry it with a message to all Malaysia awaits you with open arms, rich traditions and endless wonders.
Malaysia is a land of remarkable diversity, defined by its multi-ethnic society of Malays, Chinese, Indians and numerous indigenous communities.
Each contributes to a vibrant blend of languages, customs, cuisines and festivals from Hari Raya to Chinese New Year, Deepavali and many more.
This rich cultural tapestry is further enriched by Malaysia's indigenous heritage, colonial past and centuries of trade with various nations.
Let's discover Malaysia's greatest treasure, its nature. From the emerald rainforest of Borneo to the crystal clear waters of our islands, from the highland mist of Cameron to the firefly-lit rivers of Selangor, Malaysia is a sanctuary of life, colors and wonder.
Here the world's oldest rainforest breathe, rare wildlife roam free and coral reefs thrive beneath the waves.
As we move forward, we are reminded of an important truth. The future of tourism depends on sustainability. The world faces challenges, climate change, over-tourism, and the need to protect our cultural and natural heritage.
Yet Malaysia chooses to see these challenges as opportunities to innovate, to transform and to lead through technology, creativity and collaboration. Malaysia is finding ways to balance growth with response from green tourism practices to community-based experiences.
Ahead of us is now a vision of tomorrow, a future where travel and sustainability walk together. Tourism is more than discovering new places.
It is about protecting, preserving, and ensuring that their beauty lasts for generations to come. In Malaysia, we embrace environmentally responsible travel.
With the presence of all ministers and distinguished officials gathered here for the World Tourism Conference and World Tourism Day, Malaysia proudly extends a heartfelt welcome to the world.
We invite you to share this spirit with your friends and families because Malaysia awaits you with open arms, warm hospitality, rich cultural diversity, and of course, unforgettable food. Selamat datang. Welcome to Malaysia!